Hi, how are you all? Thank you so much. Thank you.
You were seen to enjoying inside wearing so tell me that
Yes, I was really truly having a blast, and that I think was visible on the ramp because I've been telling her very rarely do you find such elaborate outfits which are comfortable, which are easy to wear, which are so light, which I've been very happy about. And I love the collection. I think it's so feminine, it's so young, it's so elegant, delicate, and lets you be in your own element. So that's what I was doing. I haven't. That's a far shot, but I don't know. But I think I'll definitely choose something comfortable. So right now, there are a couple of films. I have to begin with Attack releasing in January, and then there's Mayday with Ajay Sir, which will be coming, and Amit G, which will be coming out in April. As of now, I've finished shooting for Dr. G. I've finished shooting for a film with Akshay Sir, and I am shooting for Thank God with Siddharth right now, and then I'm starting two films after that. So it's a very very exciting phase. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ. मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती कि मैंने अपने सब दोस्तों को बोल दिया कि मैं हर पिक्चर थिएटर में देखने वाली हूँ, हर पिक्चर, और फर्स्ट डे देखने वाली हूँ. वेन एवर आई एम इन बॉम्बे, इफ आई एम नॉट शूटिंग, और इवन इफ आई एम गोना कैच द लास्ट शो, बिकॉज me as a cinema lover, I feel I've been deprived of the cinematic experience. So I am definitely going to watch every film. I think सबसे पहले अटैक आएगी. Yeah. Anything else, guys? Okay. Yeah. I was like, guys.
जी जी मेरा कलेक्शन ऑलवेज विमेन से रिलेटेड होता है. आई ऑलवेज बिन वेरी इंस्पायर्ड बाय विमेन. ये कलेक्शन का नाम है जूलियट. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट फेमिनिटी, इट्स ऑल अबाउट द मिलेनियन ब्राइड्स टू बी, यू नो, the women of today who want to stand out and shine and inhibited to just be out there and be themselves and dress like themselves. So something like this, it's a very soft feminine outfit, looks heavy and glamorous, but it's very light.
But it's not.
Yeah, it's not. So it's for you to have fun, have a blast on your special days of your functions. Yeah, that's what Juliet is all about: sensuality, femininity, and there you get to see my Juliet. She's finally unveiled today. जी जी
जी नहीं.
आई मीन हम लोग ने जो फर्स्ट मेरी जब मैंने कलेक्शन डिसाइड किया था, द फर्स्ट पर्सन दैट केम टू माई माइंड वाज रकुल. द फर्स्ट पर्सन, एंड शी एक्चुअली मेड इट हैपन. सो इट वाज sort of a feeling कि ये कलेक्शन इनके लिए ही बना है, without her knowing. She didn't know what she's going to wear till yesterday.
But yeah, I didn't know. I met her last evening
Yeah.
after shoot, and in fact, it so happened. She said, "Rakul, I've only thought of you." I said, "I've known her before," and I said, "Babe, I'm so sorry, but I'm shooting. I'll not be able to make it." And then the universe just made it
Yes,
happen.
it
So I
just-
guess when there's a will, there's a way.
And we just made it happen, and I think she's rocked the outfit to another level, and I'm so happy.
I think it's her outfit, right? I've always believed that you will look confident if you're comfortable in what you wear. Comfort for me comes first, and if I'm enjoying my outfit, if I'm easy in it, I don't feel like it's heavier than possibly I am, then I can just have fun in it, and I think that's what helped.
Yeah, she had a blast.
I had a blast. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
भाई मेरे को तो मिल जा रहा है, माने बुलाया. आइए.
Like familiar faces. शो was fab. I think show की सबसे खास बात has to be Sonakshi Raj herself, because you know she is so gorgeous inside and out, and her clothes are so gorgeous, and बहुत ही amazing magical feminine line है, and I love the collection that's called Juliet. I love the name absolutely, and we've known her for such a long time, and I think her style and her sense of fashion resonates with us. We also really like those kind of clothes, and we wear her outfits so often. Today also we're wearing her clothes, and I love what she's wearing, and I love what I'm wearing. And we absolutely love how versatile she is. She does Western, Indian, and Indo-Western so well. So just big shout out to her.
वेडिंग कलेक्शंस के आज शोकेस किया है स्टेज आपसे पूछा जाए तो
Weddings? We actually attend a lot of weddings, and we also perform on a lot of weddings. So every time we're performing, जब भी हमारा concert होता है, even at a wedding, we look forward to wearing something Indo-Western, and I think Sonakshi does that really well. But I think our preference would be something super comfortable, something super light, and dainty and pretty. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, just come here. Come fast, so.